Chapter 2 is reference publications. This chapter has a list of documents that are being referenced in Life Safety Code. Obviously, a majority of them are NFPA standards, as you can see, 10, 13, 25, so on and so forth. There are also other documents which are not NFPA publications, as you can see, such as STME, and FM. Now, what is the important element in the reference publication? It's these documents, once referenced in the reference publications, means all the requirements or part thereof of those reference documents considered being part of Life Safety Code. The next thing is the what if there are requirements in other documents which are being referenced in Chapter 2 differ from Life Safety Code. In that case, requirements of Life Safety Code will take precedence. For example, in NFPA 92, staircase pressurization system can be activated by a manual call point, whereas in Life Safety Code, that particular system can only be activated by automatic means through a smoke detector located not more than 3 meters away from the exit door or the exit stair door. So in that case, the designer has to align his system activation in accordance with Life Safety Code. So would this mean that the requirements of NFPA 92 will forever of no use? That is not true, because NFPA is a set of documents that can be adopted by any country or authority having jurisdiction entirely or part of the documents. So for example, country A has decided to retain their local standard of code. However, they would like to make a reference to NFPA 92 for the smoke control systems, which includes staircase pressurization system. So in that case, they can then to align their system activation in accordance with NFPA 92, right? The other element to take note in Chapter 2 is the fact that existing buildings are not required to comply with provisions of the code and standards referenced in Chapter 2. Okay, Life Safety Code may not change, but there are some upgrades being done to other standards listed in this Chapter 2. So existing buildings do not need to immediately amend their existing systems to meet the new changes in those standards. However, there is a need to demonstrate to the authority having jurisdiction that the lack of conformity, if there are, do not present a serious hazard to the occupants. Okay, I will end my Chapter 2 video for now. Thank you.